First, take out the dual-head power cable. Insert them into the power ports on the back of the cooling controller and temperature controller. Plug the other end into the transformer outlet. Based on the on-site power, for 110 volts, switch to 110 volts. For 220 volts, switch it to the 220 volts. Take out the power adapter and plug it into the power port on the back of the recirculating chiller. Plug the other end into the transformer outlet. Take out the power cord of the transformer. Plug it into the transformer power port. Plug the other end into the on-site power supply. Take out the temperature control cable. Plug one end into the DB15 port on the back of the temperature controller. Then tighten it. Align the red dot on the other end with the red dot, then insert it into this horizontal connector on the platform. Take out the Ethernet cable. Plug one end into the Ethernet port on the back of the temperature controller. Connect the other end to the host computer. Take out the temperature control cooling connection cable. Plug one end into this semicircular connector on the back of the cooling controller. Plug the other end into the semicircular connector on the back of the temperature controller. Take out the KF25 vacuum bellows. Connect it to the platform. Secure it to the platform's vacuum port using the clamp and sealing ring. Then tighten the clamp. Connect the other end of the bellows to the on-site vacuum pump. Take out the baffle valve, clamp, and sealing ring. Secure the baffle valve to the other vacuum port on the platform using the clamp and sealing ring. Then tighten the clamp. When evacuating, tighten the baffle valve. When venting, simply loosen the baffle valve. Take out the two circulating water hoses. Insert the large ends into the inlet and outlet of the recirculating chiller. Then, connect the other ends to the circulating water ports on either side of the platform. Take out the liquid nitrogen silicone inlet tube. Insert the large end into the inlet of the cooling controller. Take out the liquid nitrogen silicone outlet tube. Insert the large end into the outlet of the cooling controller. Then insert the small end of the liquid nitrogen silicone inlet tube into the liquid nitrogen port on the platform. Next, attach the small end of the liquid nitrogen silicone outlet tube to the holder on top of the platform for defrosting air blow-off. Take out the liquid nitrogen adapter. Insert one end into the liquid nitrogen port on the platform. Straighten the capillary tube on the other end, then place it into the liquid nitrogen container.